In this video, we will be talking about the fundamental rights. Fundamental rights to Indiaram Constitution ina India mipuiteta na enge an dignale an chanvo apek ada pui mo khamia kha fundamental rights kanti chu ani. The fundamental rights are enshrined in Part 3 of the Constitution. Okay, Constitution a chuan Part 3 na ka fundamental rights ania. Chuan Article 12 to 35 hi Indiaram Constitution a chuan fundamental rights chungchang azia na ani. Article 12 to 35. Kan soi thin to angin Indiaram Constitution chu khovela Constitution thui ber ania chuan cha ber ania. Indiaram Constitution chunga mi hi Indiaram mil thei turin ram shan atanga lak ania. Chu tiang bokin fundamental rights po hi US Constitution atanga lak ani. Fundamental rights hi Magna Carta of India ti ania. Omzia chu Indiaram Constitution le Indiaram in rail bolna kan dan kalmanga chuan apoi mo ema backbone of the Constitution ani zia antarlan na ania. Chuan Indiaram democracy ram ania mipui ro rel na ram ania. Mipui ro rel na thei tur chuan mipui dig na le chanvo ka him angaya ni. Chu wang chuan fundamental rights hi Indiaram Constitution a chuan basic features of the Indian Constitution. Enge pai bo theilo. Indiaram ro puina ne Indiaram enge in rail bolna achang tlung zel theina turin mipui ro rel na kha zel theina turin fundamental rights si da pui mo ania tianga da pui mo ani zelan tir na khan Supreme Court pon ahum him tlat ani chu wang chuan Indiaram fundamental rights hi justiciable kan ti chanani achan chu justiciable kan ti chan chu entinan Indiaram a hianin 6 fundamental rights kan neya chung de chu right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, cultural and educational rights, right to constitutional remedies. Hekta hi Indiaram Constitution akan 6 fundamental rights te anni. And then an have 6 fundamental rights hi mimali mo Poli demo sorkar demo lo violate ta se lo enge fundamental rights ka enge lo violate ta se khata khan you have the right to go directly to the Supreme Court kanin alo him tlat donani he fundamental rights si enge tu man an violate sak thailo chati kha kan share turani fundamental rights tu kan soi to angkhan Indiaram khwale tuitena kan dignale kan chanvo kan mu theina tura rights kan nei kha anitani chuan hemi fundamental rights apo hian hemi rights chen khat hi chu Indiaram khwale tuini kherlo Indiaram chunga foreigners hotetana anron nei ve the rights anron claim ve the kha ombokani kan shed le bok tur chu fundamental rights kan nei kan ti awang khan a absolute kherlo a zong in kha rights kha a valid kherlo ti kan shetangai ni state khan in kami rights a khan reasonable restrictions kha aron impose the kan shed ve thongai ni a omzia chu kami mimal chanvo mimal digna kha Indiaram national integration ti buai thei tu Indiaram impum khatna ti buai thei tu emo Indiaram tana enge thil chalo thleng thei tu ani chuan kha fundamental rights a khanin khwa khirna ada theitina ni chu chuan he fundamental rights kan nei ho hi Indiaram enge regroup thil national emergency kan tia khan suspend thei anni amma ero chu fundamental rights chunga article 20 le 21 hi chu suspend thei anni velawa nakina enge 20 to 21 kan laziranga chuanin fundamental rights chunga article 19 hi suspend thei ani na chu national emergency kha pon lam atanga indo na te a om chowin kha article 19 kha suspend thei ni article 19 chu enge ti nakina kan zirbok don ni heta exam na atana in share tur chu Indiarama fundamental rights hi article 12 to 35 in akovara hemi article 12 to 35 a hian 20 le 21 hi chu suspend thei anilawa national emergency lai pon chuan article 19 hi chu national emergency an puana pon lama changa indo na om chawin suspend thei thungani kha exam na apolon chuak thei ni tuna fundamental rights chiang zokin kanzirang articles 12 to 35 in akovara article 12 chuan enge asoi article 12 a chuan definition of state chungchang atar lang ani screen ami khi in lo chiar don ania article 13 a chuan any laws that are inconsistent with fundamental rights shall be declared as null and void omzia chu india rama chuan india ram mipui te khanin kan thantlin kan ro rel tu te khan kan ai o in dan kan siam china kan in rel bol na tur kha khami dan kan siam ang ho kha fundamental rights against ang zonga fundamental rights enge tibuai thei anga siam ani chuan kha dan siam kha invalid mo unconstitutional apuan anianga kha dan kha pai ngal turtina ni chu kha dan an siam kha engtin nge india ram fundamental rights against thei ti she thei tur chuan india ram dan pui hian judicial review kha dan siam kha lo review theina kha supreme court le high court nge na kha na pia article 32 noya supreme court chu apia article 226 noya high court kha apeve thungani hei hi apoimo emema article 13 hianin hemi chungchang hi in fundamental rights a khan a mention ani article 12 le 13 kan soizowa tuna chuanin 6 fundamental rights kan soi ho kha han enila screen a khian right to equality right to freedom right against exploitation right to freedom of religion cultural and educational rights right to constitutional remedies kan ti kha chuan heta hian kan shia tur chu article 14 to 18 chuan right to equality akovera right to freedom to 19 to 22 right against exploitation to an article 23 to 24 right to freedom of religion to an article 25 to 28 cultural and educational rights to an article 29 to 30 right to constitutional remedies to an article 32 article 31 om tamialo article 31 to enge right to property right to property chuanin atumber to provide protection of property and give legality of land to the people article 31 nga tinge om tolo article 31 chuan kan shia tur chu right to property hi a cover china ma se hemi article 31 hi it was deleted from the list of fundamental rights by the 44th Amendment Act of 1978 right to property hi indiaram fundamental rights achanga pai aniap 1978 a avoi somli palina atana constitution siam danglam ani khan he right to property hi part 3 achanga part 12 a son ani tinani chu chuan hemi fundamental rights chunga right to property hi indiaram constitution a chuan la om thau si in part 3 atangin part 12 anda tha te meng o anda tha a khami 31 kha article 300A a son ani fundamental rights ni tolawin legal right anda ani a omzia chu 6 fundamental rights te angkhan entinan right to property kha direct in supreme court khan ahum him ve tolotina ni chu ngatinge right to property khami right to property b ga protection of property khami kan property de kan protect ve theina tur khanga tinge fundamental rights atanga pai thak ani kan ti chuan hemi right to property b khian india rama mason na tur development khatianga sarkarin ma alak na tur ang chi kha alo dang thina ni chu entinan khami ilan irama kha sarkar khanin mason na atan entinan kongpui zim lutuk ti zaw na tan te khan irama kharon deal ta te sela kha khanin public tan le society le khami community tan ra thatu rakha sarkar khan hemi kongti zo na tur hian kan compensate che anga ani lo pon poisa kan pe chenga or hemi anga value tha ramdang mun tha kan pe chenga atita ni chu chuan khata khan nang chuan hei ka property ania chu wang chuan fundamental rights of the Indian constitution ina min ven him sak ania chu wang chuan in ka fundamental rights zingami ania he karam hi min khoi sak thailo supreme court ina min protect sak ania ilo titlat the ni chu kha khan mason na tur kha ati chuan op thin ta a chumi awanga right to property hi fundamental rights atanga constitutional right a khak ani constitutional right aron ni to chuan article 300A noya right to property kha a om to tinani chu 6 fundamental rights can explain tak ma in fundamental rights available only to citizens and not to foreigners how he in law by heartang chung ta chu article 15th article 16th article 19 article 29 and article 30 te anni chuan fundamental rights available to both citizens and foreigners how to article 14 20 21 21A 22 23 24 25 26 27 and 28 te anni hemi articles karon soi ho hi fundamental rights khatiang ho kan soi huna khan engia omzia ti khachiang zokin kan zirang kan soi to china chuan fundamental rights hi eng part ta ngi a article engchin nge cover chuan 6 fundamental rights ho hi article eng ho nge hwam right to equality to article 14 to 18 khatiang khan beldewin in lo zirang right to property hi tuna eng article noya nge eng amendment in nge change national emergency a omlain fundamental rights a eng article honge suspend ve thailo ti te kha thiam chiang tur foreigners hotana fundamental rights available velo hote article 12 in enge asoi exam na aron chuak common tak vek an ni a kuluk taka lo zir tur ani